Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Ram 3500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, voice-activated navigation, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, skid plates, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.